Everybody, just wanted to do a quick walkthrough. Some people have asked about how to download Fusion 360 from home. So I'm going to try and walk you through that and get you to the right place so you can log in and download your educational version of Fusion 360 to your home computer so you can work on it, anything you want to, any projects over break. So first thing we're going to do is just type into Google Fusion 360 for education. The order that you see your results might be slightly different. There might be an ad that pops up or something, but you're looking for the one that says Student and Education Software 1-year license. You're going to click that. It'll take you to a web page on Autodesk. Right here it says Unlock Educational Access. You're going to go there and go to, we already have an educational account, so we're going to sign into that. And I'm going to sign into mine really quick. All right, and now once you're in, all you have to do is under Fusion 360, you're going to click Get Product. Okay, and then you're going to click Access. When you click Access, this should download automatically. It's taking a little while. There it goes. It's in the bottom corner. It's downloading. And that'll be the file that you click on to do the installation. So hopefully that helps walk you to the right place so you can get this on your home computer. Thanks.